Is your PC extremely slow and Task Manager shows 100% disk usage? Apps take forever to open and your system feels stuck? If you're using Windows 11, this video will help you fix high disk usage step by step, without installing any third-party apps. Step 1. Check what's using your disk, very important. Before fixing the problem, identify the cause. Steps: press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Open Task Manager. Click the disk column to sort usage. If a single process is constantly at the top, that's where the problem usually starts. Step 2. Disable sysmain. Most common fix: sysmain is one of the biggest reasons for 100% disk usage. Steps: press Windows plus R, type services.msc, enter. Find sysmain. Double-click it. Set startup type to manual. Click Stop then OK. This fix works especially well on HDD and low-end PCs. Step 3. Fix Windows Search disk overuse. Windows Search can overload your disk in the background. Steps: press Windows plus R, type services.msc. Find Windows Search. Double-click then stop. Set startup type to manual. Your system will instantly feel more responsive. Step 4. Disable background disk activity, safe method. Some Windows background apps constantly access the disk. Steps: open Settings. Go to Apps. Click Installed Apps. Select an app. Advanced Options. Set background app permissions to Never. Do this only for apps you rarely use. Step 5. Repair disk errors. Very important, disk errors can cause Windows to keep reading the disk non-stop. Steps: open File Explorer. Right-click C Drive. Click Properties. Go to Tools. Under Error Checking, click Check. Restart your PC if Windows asks you to. Step 6. Reduce disk load from virtual memory. Incorrect virtual memory settings can overload your disk. Steps: press Windows plus R, type system.cpl. Go to Advanced. Performance Settings, Advanced Change. Make sure Automatically Manage Paging File Size is enabled. Restart your system after this step. Step 7. Pause Windows Update temporarily. Windows Update can cause heavy disk usage in the background. Steps: open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. This prevents background disk overload while troubleshooting. Bonus tip: after restart, leave your PC idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Let background tasks finish completely. Then check disk usage again. You should see a big improvement. If this video fixed your Windows 11 100% disk usage problem, hit like and subscribe to Mendit Tech. Because here, you get real Windows fixes, not fake optimizer apps.